In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the GOG app, also known as GOG Galaxy, on your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for a fast way to install GOG Galaxy 2.0 so you can manage your game library, connect your accounts, and launch your games from one place, you're in the right video. This is a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along easily, even if you're a complete beginner. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to GOG Galaxy. This is the official GOG Galaxy download page, and it's the safest place to get the installer. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. Click that button to begin the download. Your browser should start downloading the installer file automatically. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder or click the file from your browser's download bar. You should see a file called GOG Galaxy 2.0.exe. Double-click that file to open it. Windows may ask if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. Next, the GOG Galaxy web installer will open. Click Install and wait while it downloads and installs the required files for setup. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this part may take a few minutes, so just let it finish. Once the installation is complete, follow through the remaining setup steps on your screen. You may be asked to sign in, create an account, or adjust a few preferences. Take your time and complete each step until setup is finished. When everything is done, you can launch GOG Galaxy from the Start menu or from the desktop shortcut if one was created. Just search for GOG Galaxy, click it, and the app will open. From there, you're ready to explore your games, connect platforms, and start using the launcher. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the GOG app on your PC. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.